Ever pondered the influence of philanthropy in the world of music? In recent news, the renowned Zimbabwean musician Nicholas Zachariuh has been presented with a car by none other than the philanthropist and business tycoon Chivhayo. Nicholas Zachariuh, the gifted musician well-loved for his mesmerizing tunes, now has another reason to celebrate. He has been gifted a car by Chivhayo, a man known for his generous acts of charity. This generous gesture by Chivhayo is a testament to the impact of philanthropy in the arts, particularly in music. It's a reminder of how support from influential figures can uplift and motivate artists, enabling them to continue creating and inspiring. In another twist, Baba Ishmael, a prominent figure, finds himself denied bail and is now serving time in prison. However, in a contrasting event, Baba Ishmael, another well-known figure, has been denied bail and is now in prison. This development has sent ripples through the community, raising questions about fairness and justice. While the details surrounding his case remain confidential, it is a sobering reminder of the rule of law and the consequences one may face when it is defied. To sum up, we've delved into two significant events today. On one hand, we have Nicholas Zachariuh, who has been gifted a car by the generous Chivhayo, a gesture that highlights the importance of philanthropy in the world of music. On the other hand, Baba Ishmael's denial of bail and subsequent imprisonment underscores the harsh reality of the judicial system and its unwavering commitment to upholding the law. Remember, in a world where news develops rapidly, it is essential to stay informed and aware. Be it the uplifting tale of a musician's fortune or the somber news of a figure's fall from grace, each story holds lessons and insights that shape our understanding of the world. Until next time, stay curious and keep seeking the truth.